Hi, dear listeners. Today we will talk about the global problem of oil shortage. It's a topic that mainly concerns oil countries, so sit close to the screen. Oil has been a cornerstone of the global economy for decades, serving as the primary source of energy. However, increasing consumption and limited reserves have made the issue of declining oil resources more pressing in recent years. This phenomenon impacts not only the energy market, but also global politics and the economy at large. Causes of oil decline. Firstly, finite natural resources. Oil is a non renewable energy source, and its depletion over time is inevitable from a geological perspective. Next one, rising consumption. Population growth and industrial development have significantly increased the demand for oil. The last one, challenges in discovering new reserves. Most easily accessible oil reserves have already have been exploited. New reserves are often located in more challenging environments, making extraction costlier and riskier for the environment. Impacts. Economic consequences. The decline in oil production reduces revenues for oil exporting countries and leads to price hikes in oil importing nations. Energy security. Without a shift to alternative energy resources, declining oil resources pose risk to global energy security. Environmental challenges. Delays in transitioning to cleaner energy source could lead to ecological disaster due to risky extraction methods in hard to reach areas. Solutions. Firstly, transition to alternative energy resources. Harnessing solar, wind, hydro, and nuclear energy can reduce dependence on oil. Next one, improving energy efficiency. Adopting new technologies to produce more with less energy is crucial. The last one, economic diversification. Diversifying economies that heavily rely on oil is essential, especially for developing countries. Conclusion. The decline of oil can be seen as both a challenge and opportunity. It pushed humanity to adopt more sustainable and environmentally friendly energy solutions. With global cooperation and advancements in technology, these issues can be addressed effectively, paving the way for a more resilient and sustainable energy future. And we have come to the end of our lesson. I hope I give you information that will help you in your future speech on this topic. Thanks for watching.